Masnaman. As pilot, Alpha 254, we are commencing troubleshooting procedures now. Hydraulic systems check complete. Still no positive indication on main gear. ATC, Alpha 254, do you have any visual confirmation or any alternative methods you can attempt? Fuel status? As pilot, affirm, attempting gravity drop procedure now. Partial indication on the nose gear, but main gear remains stuck. Fuel is sufficient for orbiting. ATC, Alpha 254, congratulations on a successful landing despite the malfunction. Are all crew and passengers clear? As pilot, affirmative. All personnel are safe. That was a close one. Ready for debrief.